Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to open a bank account in Dubai for non-residents. If you haven't done yet, make sure to like and subscribe for future videos, and if you did, let's dive in. First, we should probably talk about why I should open a bank account in Dubai. Opening a bank account in United Arab Emirates has actually many advantages, such as tax benefits, asset protection, high level of confidentiality and privacy, and of course, a convenience if you are already traveling there. Because the UAE's free trade zones allow businesses to operate without paying taxes, so it makes it really attractive for foreign investors and businesses. But of course, the laws and regulations in place protect the rights of investors and companies, and strict bank secrecy and data protection laws ensure enhanced privacy, so it is not a all man's land. There are many banks offering extensive services in the country actually. But it is really hard to open a bank account, so in this video we will show you fully how to open. First, we need to find which bank we are wanting. Of course, there are multiple banks such as Mashreq, Emirates NBD, FAB, and of course similar banks, but these ones I mentioned are the best ones. There are multiple features you should be looking for if you plan on opening a bank account there, like phone banking, online banking, debit cards, e-statements, fund transfers, customer support, multiple currency support, account processing, fund deposits, and of course different instructional values. And after you find a bank you like, and of course find a bank that will accommodate for your needs, we have to gather and prepare the required documents. Of course, even for a savings account, they require a lot of documents, such as an original passport, copy of a residence, salary certificates, an identification card, which would be the hardest one to get, a proof of UAE residence, and labor card. And of course, if your familiar is on a visa, you have to get a work permit. And for all self-employed customers, you need a trading license. For of course income transfer customers, the original income transfer letter from the employer has to be provided. Yes, I know there are a lot of documents you would need, but since the tax reasons, it is actually pretty helpful for you for the future. It might find weird that you would have to go there in person to open an account, but the thing is, most of the banks there require to actually talk with them in person before you do anything and open your bank account for generally security and social reasons. So yes, that is expected for 99% of the banks. After that, you will be able to actually go there and do the talking, then of course actually get your bank account fully operational. Of course, you can always choose between multiple banks because, of course, the country is filled with banks, such as Emirates NBD, Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank, Mashreq, RAK, Commercial Bank of Dubai, or even Dubai Islamic Bank. But before choosing a bank, always check with their accommodations and, of course, their personal advantages over the others to make sure you select the right bank to work with. And that was basically it. We hoped it helped you, and we also hope to see you in the other videos. If you have any other question, you can ask them down in the comment section. Have a great day, and goodbye.